Nope, that's too much zoomed in. Jenna's eating blueberries and she's just had a bath, so I'm a bit worried about leaving her out in the garden, but I just thought she's got a coat on, let her explore. If she gets a cold, she gets a cold. It's okay. I will look after you, don't worry. She's having a blast. We're outside in the garden. Come on, Jenna. You know what? I never ever actually did the whole, you know, when you just leave your kid to just eat by themselves. It was just too much of a mess all the time and a waste of food. But now, alhamdulillah, she's starting to pick up food and eat it by herself. So that's fine by me. She knows when she's hungry and she knows how to grab something. I mean, yesterday she grabbed that Kit Kat. I'll show you footage. And she was just eating it by herself. If I give you the plate, don't drop it. Because if we're outside and they fall, that's it, they're gone. I don't even have a coat jumper on myself. But the weather's not too bad. It's cold, but not freezing cold. But I haven't been out in the garden for a while, and it's crazy to think. It's crazy to see how bare all the trees look. It just looks too clean. Can you hear the birds? That's my favourite part.
Okay.
Have you dropped them? Nope, she ain't dropped them yet. Lovely. You not dropped them yet. Good girl. Don't drop them, okay? You're gonna eat them. Okay guys, so I saw this recipe on Tasty and I really want to make it. It's basically like French toast but roll-ups, and you just use you just use peanut butter and banana, but today I'm going to be a bit naughty and use peanut butter and hazelnut chocolate spread. So double the peanuts. So I'm going to try this with only one egg because I only want to make 2 breads. I don't want to waste the eggs. We'll see how it goes. I've got the pan ready. I'm just going to roll up the bread, put some cinnamon powder in here, ground cinnamon, and then some vanilla. This is Madagascar vanilla extract. I do need to get another one of these. This is really, really good actually. It gives you that authentic vanilla flavour without tasting chemically. And then I'm going to use brown bread to see if it works, because let's just try it and see if we can make it a tiny bit healthy. But yeah, I'm going to try this and show you guys the end result. Okay, so I've just put the vanilla extract in and the cinnamon powder. I don't know why I keep calling it cinnamon powder, but it is a powder. So it's the cinnamon. And then I was quite surprised there's no sugar in this, like added to the eggs. But the sugar will obviously come from the excess peanut butter and the hazelnut chocolate spread. And you can even put golden syrup on there, which thankfully I have today. Chocolatey goodness. I haven't had hazelnut spread in a long time. So chocolate spread on. Now it's the peanut butter. It says only put it on a 1/3, but I've just spread it all out. Oh no, that wasn't even recording. Gosh, I just rolled it up one-handed as well. Okay, I just rolled it up one-handed. Gonna put some egg wash on it and then put it in the pan after I put some oil in there. Okay guys, it's made. It actually looks super delicious and it's kind of crunchy as well. Whoops, nearly dropped it. It's kind of crunchy as well. I'm going to feed Jenna now because she's starving. This is a new shampoo I'm just using today. 0% mineral oil colorants. Pantene. It lathered quite nicely. It smells nice as well, just like the original Pantene. Let's just hope it's good. also use the Sanctuary Spa 5-minute thermal charcoal detox mask. It feels amazing when you first apply it to your skin. Then after that I can feel my skin tingling a little bit. But at the moment I've tried it about 3 times and I really haven't noticed much of a difference. I think it's a tiny bit gimmicky, but we'll see what happens over time. Still feels nice. I do like the thermal quality to it. So using my Primark hair massager to lather the shampoo into my hair. Well, actually just to kind of get rid of the excess dead skin in my scalp, and I'm loving it. I've noticed that my dandruff, or should I say dry scalp, or the buildup in my hair has decreased over time. So this is probably the best purchase I've ever made in Primark. So I've done the majority of my makeup. My skin looks super dewy right now. Basically, I feel terrible today, so don't mind that. But I decided to take some old things out that I've been trying. So the Maybelline Master Sculpt, I don't even know if you can get this anymore, medium dark. Used that, loved it. Tried to use the highlighter. I don't even think it really gave me much. I really went in there as well. And then I tried this H&M powder underneath my eyes. I think it has some decent coverage, but not really good for where you got creases, because my eyes look a lot more creased than they were before. And I took out this blush from Primark. It's a very old blush, not that old though, but you could still get it at Primark, I believe. And it was it's in the shade Carnival. And I've just got that on my cheeks, and I forgot how pigmented that was. So I've not got anything on my eyes. I just want to use it mascara. I've killed my eyelashes. Thought I'd open my Superdrug parcel with you guys. I did order some new mascaras. So I've got my scissors here. I'm gonna open the box. But yeah, I ran out of my Maybelline. Well, I've still got it. It's got zero pigment left in it, and I've been using that one for a while. It's the one that was hyped up on TikTok. So I bought some more. Let's unbox them. I forgot there was just like that flap to help you open the parcel. I've actually had these for a while in here, but I used up my Superdrug points to get these. So there's my mascaras. I wanted to try the new Sky High Sensational, the black one. I've already used the normal pink one. Is the tube changed? This tube hasn't changed. This is my old one. It's the original Maybelline Sky High mascara, the one that was raved on TikTok. And I picked up 3 of them again, but this time in the black packaging, because I've heard it's even more black than the original. And I decided to pick up a waterproof because I like to layer. I like to go in with a normal mascara and then over the top go with the waterproof one. So yeah, I'm going to try one of these and see how they compare. She won't let me do this. Come on, but come sit by me. She won't. She's so excited. This is the first time she's probably seen a tripod, and she's so excited about it. Anyway, what I wanted to share with you guys last time, but I never did, was about the mascara that I've been using. So remember that Superdrug haul? It will flow with this video. But I never got a chance to do my first impressions that day, so I'm going to try and do it today. I have used this. It's not going to be my first impression now because I have used it for a couple of days. Yeah? Are you going to be narrating for me? So these are the 3 mascaras. I have opened one of the black ones. Not the waterproof one yet. I don't think I'm going to use it yet. But Jenna, please let me do it. She really wants to pick up this tripod. No, you can't, sorry. No. No, see, it's literally my toddler fights with me now. She has full-on arguments with me. Come on. Come here then. Wait, hold on. Wow.
Ow!
Really? Do you like it? Do you want a mascara? Shall I give you one? Okay, I'll give you one. Yeah, you can have one. There, that's yours, okay? This one's mine. So, got nothing on my eyes except for a bit of eyeshadow. I'm hoping this quality is going to be alright. I'm going to curl my eyelashes and don't think I could do it now. I didn't put any eyeliner on. Today is just today, I can't be bothered. I don't even know if I got them. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. I have curled my eyelashes. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, so I am going to be... Can I borrow this? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to just apply it to one eyelash and then show you the difference. Be careful though, because this is quite black. As you can see, it is actually very black. This mascara is like... I thought the original was very black, but this is even more black. And it's definitely lengthening. Can you see that? And it applies quickly as well, which I really like. I hope you guys can see that. I don't know what she's messing with now. I don't know where she's threw that mascara, but... Can you see that? Right, I'm going to do another coat and then show you the comparison. This builds really quickly, but if you're not careful, it can look very clumpy. So that is one thing I've definitely noticed the difference about between this and the original. And the main other difference, whoa. And the main other difference is, hold on, I'm just going to turn off this light from behind. So, mascara, no mascara. Can you see how lengthening it is? Okay, lighting isn't doing it justice, but this is my eyelashes after. That's my first impressions. Talk to you later. I'm incredibly hungry right now. My mom's making some handi downstairs, so I can't even make my noodles. So I'm just going to eat this. It's a harissa, chickpea and green salad. Do we even think this is going to fill me up? Let's see. I take that back. This actually looks really nice. Kind of reminds me of like peri peri rice. I just have to say the salad was amazing. When I tasted it, it had the perfect amount of spice in there as well. It was just beautiful. I'd get it again. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.